Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC P2279-7A, indicates an intake air system leak in the 2023 Honda CR-V. This code is triggered when the estimated intake air quantity detected by the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, from the positive crankcase ventilation, PCV system exceeds a predefined limit. The PCM is essentially the brain of the vehicle, monitoring and adjusting various engine operations to optimize performance and emissions. When it identifies this discrepancy in the air intake system, it logs the error to alert the technician that further investigation is required. The error could affect components such as the intake manifold, PCV valve, and throttle body, which are crucial for maintaining proper air-fuel mixture ratios and, in turn, engine performance. Understanding this code allows for effective troubleshooting to ensure that the vehicle runs smoothly and efficiently. The DTC P2279-7A indicates an issue specifically related to an intake air system leak in the Honda CR-V 2023 and onwards. The affected components include the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, which is responsible for monitoring engine parameters, and the intake system parts, such as the intake manifold, PCV valve, and throttle body. The intake manifold is a crucial component that delivers air to the engine cylinders and needs to maintain a tight seal to ensure proper engine operation. Additionally, the PCV valve regulates the flow of crankcase gases back into the combustion chamber. If any of these components show signs of wear or damage, they may allow excess air to enter the system, skewing the air-fuel mixture. This imbalance can lead to decreased engine efficiency, increased emissions, and potential damage if not addressed. Properly identifying and repairing these issues is essential for maintaining optimal engine performance. Several possible causes can lead to the P2279-7A DTC in the Honda CR-V. One common cause is vacuum leaks in the intake system, which can occur due to cracks or loose fittings in hoses and gaskets, impacting the PCM's ability to accurately measure air intake. Another potential issue is a faulty PCV valve. If it sticks open or fails, it can result in excessive airflow. Damaged intake ducts or the manifold itself may also contribute to the problem by allowing air to bypass the sensors, leading to incorrect data readings. Additionally, failures in the EVAP, evaporative emission control system, components can exacerbate the situation, as these systems work together to manage air and fuel mixture. Understanding these causes is crucial for accurately diagnosing and addressing the root problem behind the DTC. Upon encountering the P2279-7A error code, drivers may experience a variety of symptoms. A rough engine idle can be felt during operation, as the incorrect air-fuel mixture disrupts the engine's normal combustion cycle. Decreased fuel efficiency is another noticeable symptom, as the engine compensates for the air leak, leading to increased fuel consumption and higher operating costs. Drivers may also notice increased emissions, which is detrimental not only in terms of environmental impact, but could result in failing an emissions test. Additionally, the check engine light will illuminate on the vehicle's dashboard, signaling the driver to take immediate action. These symptoms underscore the importance of diagnosing and addressing this DTC promptly to restore engine performance and compliance with emissions regulations. The first step in troubleshooting the P2279-7A code involves starting the engine and holding it at 3,000 RPM without load, either in park or neutral. This step is crucial as it allows the engine to operate under conditions where the PCM can effectively monitor engine performance and related parameters. By maintaining this RPM until the radiator fan activates, you simulate real operational requirements and promote circulation through the engine and exhaust systems. Following this, it is important to let the engine idle for 1 minute, as this period allows for any potential codes to be registered by the engine control systems. During the entire process, the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, should be used to monitor the OBD, onboard diagnostic status, for DTC P2279-7A. Successful completion of this step helps to determine if the code reappears, paving the way for further inspections and potential repairs. The second troubleshooting step involves a thorough visual inspection of the intake air system. It is essential to check for any vacuum leaks that could contribute to the symptoms experienced. Since a vacuum leak can introduce excess air into the system, it can disrupt the engine's expected air-fuel ratio, thus affecting performance. Key components to inspect include the intake air duct, intake manifold, and PCV, positive crankcase ventilation valve. Inspecting the hoses connected to these components is equally important, as they can become brittle or cracked over time. Additionally, check the evap canister purge valve and any hoses leading to it, as any failures here can further exacerbate the leak. Ensuring these components are intact and functioning as intended is vital to resolving the DTC and restoring engine performance. The final repair verification step involves running a diagnostic test on the engine once repairs have been made. It is important to check for the reappearance of the DTC P2279-7A to ensure that the initial problems have been properly addressed. This step confirms that all components related to the intake air system, PCV system, and evap system are functioning as designed and that no leaks persist. Following the diagnostic test, the technician should verify that the engine runs smoothly, with no irregular idle behavior or warning lights on the dashboard. Successful confirmation of repairs indicates that the issue has been resolved and that the vehicle can be returned to normal operation without issues. Documenting these results is also key for future reference and understanding the vehicle's repair history. To prevent future occurrences of the P2279-7A DTC, implementing a routine preventive maintenance schedule is highly recommended. Regular inspections of the intake system components can help identify any developing issues before they escalate. It's crucial to monitor the health of the PCV system consistently, as any deterioration can lead to performance issues. Replacing old or worn hoses and gaskets proactively will also minimize the likelihood of vacuum leaks. Keeping an eye on these items can help maintain optimal engine performance and fuel efficiency. By adhering to these preventive measures, vehicle owners can extend the lifespan of their engine components and avoid costly repairs related to intake air system leaks. In conclusion, the DTC P2279-7A signifies an intake air system leak that must be addressed to maintain optimal engine performance in the Honda CR-V. It is crucial to conduct a thorough inspection of the intake air and PCV systems to identify any faults or leaks before they lead to more serious problems. Understanding the symptoms associated with this DTC helps drivers recognize the need for immediate attention, preventing potential damage and ensuring compliance with emissions regulations. By applying effective troubleshooting steps, you can accurately diagnose the root cause and implement appropriate repairs. Furthermore, regular preventive maintenance checks can help safeguard against future issues, enhancing the vehicle's reliability and performance. Proactive measures are not just recommended, but vital for ensuring the longevity of your vehicle's engine and functionality. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.